Daddy's watching TV and Pedro's just sitting on his arm. And look how fat this budgie is. Oh my goodness, Pedro, you are gorgeous. Look at that beautiful green fat feathers. I wonder if feathers get fat. So cute. And that blue beak of yours. What do you call the beak? The serre on top of your beak. Beautiful. You're like a sapphire, Pedro. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bird. Look at you. Who would think that you're already 10 years old? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pedro. Pedro's old budgie.
Kiss, kiss. Each other. Repeat this. On the chest of treasure. You and I have been right. Lipstick to feet. In the past. Kiss, kiss. Just kiss. Kiss, kiss. That's the attack. Yeah, that dry. Just kiss. You can pass a piece. Pedro. Pedro. Come on. Pedro. Kiss, kiss. Pedro, me touch. You gonna sit there, Pedro? Are you Pedro? Kiss, kiss. Pedro.
Keep talking. I'm not going to stop you. What? What about it, Pedro? Come on. Keep talking, baby. Okay. I'm going to continue with what I'm doing. What are you doing? You're checking the camera. Look. Look at the camera, Pedro. Mommy's fingers there. Okay. What? Look. Kiss, kiss. Good boy. Okay, you go to Daddy. Oh, look. Daddy's fiberglass everywhere.
He's watching the gold video.
Pedro, I'm not touching the kid. You want to put on the seat, Pedro? Tell me, get on it. Is it cute, birdie? Look at that. Mama put on the tea. Is that cute, Budgie Pea? It doesn't better up to pie. You can put it on mat here. You know, Pedro. Hey, Pedro. You know, say, Pedro. Pedro. Are you Pedro? Good girl. Next class, Pedro. Just pass Pedro. Are you Pedro? Good Pedro. You could play. You could play, boy. Yes, you're so big. Look at me, baby, Pedro. You're so cute, baby. Hello, Pedro. Happy baby, Pedro. Because your baby, Pedro. I'm stuck on stage. Kiss. You could be a boy. Is that cute, Pedro? Girl is a kitty. We should do it. Hello, baby, Pedro. Kiss. Mommy's very Pedro tree. You can engage. They got me, Pedro. To engage. Got your beds or to map. Oops, Pedro's kiss. Hi. You tell him. Look at that. You can go back in, Pedro. Just. Where's your bed, your tree, Pedro? Pedro, you could keep Pedro. Oh, Pedro. No, they're getting up, Pedro. Just. You keep it in the dead. Huh? You can talk about you want to get Pedro? Come to keep this kiss. You can leave the repair. Okay. That's saying it, Pedro. You press the guy. You go to the real Oh. I just found me back grass, Pedro. Can we get a car? She does that. What are you doing? What is that, Pedro? What's up to? Lipstick simple. Got it higher, Pedro.
Hey, Pedro. Are you gonna sleep there? Are you going to sleep there? Look at you. Oh. Okay. That's it. He's just going to sleep there. Hello, baby bird. What are you doing? Hey? Are you enjoying the spring weather? It's spring in Australia and Pedro has sprung. Look at your poop. How about you clean up? Hey, you want to clean up? Hey? Give mommy a kiss. I'm chasing Pedro. Where's mommy, Pedro? Where's mommy? Hello? Where's mommy? Mommy gone. Peekaboo. Hello, peekaboo. Where's my peekaboo? Who's mommy's peekaboo? Peekaboo. Look at you. Pedro angry? Are you cranky bird? No, you're not a cranky bird. Okay, mommy will clean up. Hey, mommy will clean up and we'll cook dinner. Mickey's? Mwah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Pedro dancing. Pedro. Pedro dancing. Still a pretty boy. Okay. Bye.